this is the Mercedes S63 4MATIC Plus, and here is the sedan. So this is the coupe, and this is the beautiful key to the car. And it is a lovely looking car. It is in beautiful special paint job, which is called the Cashmere White Designo Magno, which in simple is a matte white, and this is a rare color. So you can see the aggressive front design of this car with this Panamericana grille. I'm going to turn on the parking lights. So let's take a look from the front. So we can see the Panamericana grille, AMG logo here, and this massive bumper, 63 bumper. And I think this is a great design. These are the LED intelligent lights, which are like similar to multi-beams, predecessor of the multi-beam. And here you can see the large air intakes for the aero for the car. This is a V8 monster, so you can see all the aero parts. Here is a carbon lip in the front. You can see the radiators and a Panamericana grille, which consists from like two chrome parts, and in the middle is black. AMG logo. Here you can see the camera for front view. And in the emblem is actually the Distronic adaptive cruise control, and you have Mercedes-Benz logo, and you can see this is a matte white. There is no metallic reflection, so just a beautiful car. And you have also these chrome parts around the front bumper, and above them is like a black color, high gloss black. So we can see here these AMG wheels, which are just gorgeous. So let me take a look from this side. You also have like a ridges on the bonnet, which gives the car the better appearance, more masculine appearance. We can take a look also at the side. You can see this beautiful coupe shape. And it doesn't have a night package because the trim around the window is not black, it's chrome. So yeah, people just wanted to see the car from a distance, so I'm doing that so you can have a better perspective. Okay, so, and these are the black AMG forged wheels, matte black with like a chrome lip around the rims. And these tires are the Michelin Pilot Sport 3 Mercedes original, and 255 40 20-inch. And you can see also the AMG steel brakes with like dark gray calipers. Brakes are just a little bit rusty because the car is in stock, it's not driven for like a month. It's waiting for the new owner. And yeah, just a fantastic looking front, really like it. And you can have a comparison with the sedan, which I hope I can have a time to do a review. It has like a beige interior, and it has the same wheels as you can see. So this is a nice comparison. Also the coupe is lower, so if you are going to drive the car by yourself, then the coupe is better choice. It's also better looking, in my opinion. Sedan doesn't have a Panamericana grille. A sedan is more like a luxury version of the car. Okay, so we can see here the Mercedes logo, and you have two cameras for the Distronic Plus, rain sensor and stuff like that. Here you have a carbon mirror caps and V8 by turbo 4MATIC Plus sign, and you have also the carbon skirts, side skirts. Also you have panoramic roof because it's a black in the middle, then it's the white is continuing. And you have also keyless, of course. You can lock the car with the finger, like now. And you can open it when you place the hand inside. So very easy. And this car also has a soft close, so when I just push it a little bit, it closes, and this is the seatbelt extender. Okay, so this is the boot area, the rear area. You can see the OLED lights, and they have like they are from like little pieces of lights. Of course you have a S63 emblem and AMG emblem, Mercedes star, and here we can see the carbon on the lower part of the bumper. You have some arrow here on the side, and chrome exhaust tips, and chrome also a rear diffuser. One part is carbon here, and this is chrome. So I really think this car looks very good without the night package. And actually here you can see the S63 sedan versus coupe. Also big difference with the lights. These are more like slimmer, and these are more vertical and more like white. Both look great, but you can see clearly the difference. This is more like a statement luxury, and this is more like a luxury sportiness, if that makes sense. And this is also like a chrome yeah, this is like a chrome part in the back. Also the look from the back. So really lovely car. I really do like this. No rear wiper, obviously, for the coupe. And these are the rear steel brakes. You can have a ceramic brakes, but hard to say if you need them for daily driving. If you drive like crazy, then you need them. If you drive more or less normally, brake more or less normally, then you'll be fine with this. You can see here the sedan has ceramics. So these are the ceramics, much bigger brake disc, and these are the steel brakes. Ceramics can be rusty as well if you leave the car longer time outside. That's normal. So it's not rusty because it's a steel brake. All right. I really do like this car. It's a fantastic car in this Magna White cashmere, fancy name for the fancy color, and sun is coming out a little bit. Also a little tip: if you scratch Magna paint, matte paint, you need to repaint the whole car. Many people don't know that. So this could be inconvenient because the painting of the whole car takes much longer, and insurance would cover it probably, but then you can have a higher insurance next year. But for the owner of this car, it's not probably like a big deal. But yeah, mostly the time inconvenience because it takes much longer to repaint the whole car. Also, I want to show you the fuel cap. The faster you go, the more pressure you need in the tires, and you need a high octane 98 or more gasoline. Okay, so we can take a look at the V8 engine here. This is V8 engine, 4.0 liter, and this engine produces 450 kilowatts, which is 612 PS horsepower, and can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.5 seconds. This is 62 miles per hour, and to 60 it could be like 3.4, maybe 3.3. And this is the man which built this engine. It is a handcrafted in a Folterbach. This is like a hot V engine because it has the turbochargers inside of the cylinder banks. And really nice Mercedes and AMG logo. You have heat shields in the back. Top speed 250 kilometers per hour, electronically limited, but with the driver's package you can have a 300 kilometers per hour, which is just rocket speed, with the comfort and beautiful sound. You have heat shields here and also the sound isolation here. So this is the windshield wiper. And you have some rubber here, so no dust is going into the engine, which is great. So this is like a sealed with the rubber for the dirt and the rain. You have heat shields everywhere because this engine can be very hot. And if you need to top up the oil, you need to do it here. So you can see here the air intakes. And yeah, really powerful engine with amazing sound. So you need to slam the hood to close it properly.